Welcome to Taiba Kids!
Five little frogs sat on a log by the pond so green and bog. They jumped and croaked the whole day long, singing a happy froggy song. Five little frogs went out to play, splashing in water, ribbit they say. Mama frog said, ribbit, ribbit, come. But only four little frogs came home. Four little frogs jumped up high, catching flies that buzzed nearby. Mama frog said, ribbit, ribbit, come. But only three little frogs came home. Three little frogs swam round and round, making splashes, funny sounds. Mama frog said, ribbit, ribbit, come. But only two little frogs came home. Two little frogs hopped by the shore, jumped in the pond and splashed once more. Mama frog said, ribbit, ribbit, come. But only one little frog came home. Three little frogs sat all alone, croaking softly on a stone. Mama frog said, ribbit, ribbit, come. Then all five frogs came hopping home. Five little frogs are back once more, happy and safe by the pondy shore. Count with me now, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 frogs as happy as can be. Five little frogs say goodnight, stars above are shining bright. Snuggle close, it's time to rest. Froggy dreams are simply the
Thanks for watching Taiba Kids! Don't forget to like and subscribe!